Planetary transitions do not announce themselves. They begin quietly. By the time changes feel obvious, the process is already underway. Earth has entered a transition phase. This does not mean imminent catastrophe. It means the rules that governed the last era are dissolving. Climate patterns are destabilizing. Ocean systems are shifting. Biological feedback loops are accelerating. These are not isolated problems. They are coordinated signals. Every planetary transition follows the same structure. First comes variability, then amplification, then irreversibility. Human civilization is currently between variability and amplification. We are still arguing whether change exists, while the planet has already moved on. This delay is not accidental. Civilizations are optimized for continuity, not adaptation. Political systems react slowly. Economic systems resist disruption. Cultural narratives cling to the familiar. But planets do not negotiate. Earth is not hostile, it is indifferent. It responds only to physics, chemistry, and energy flow. The longer restoration is delayed, the narrower the available solutions become. Transition phases are dangerous but also powerful. They are moments when systems can be redesigned. Earth restoration is not about stopping change. It is about shaping the outcome.